Look what I got here, baby. Special Edition Tears of the Kingdom OLED from Nintendo. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like and what comes inside of this here box. Let's get it, baby. Alright guys, and here we have the OLED, the Tears of the Kingdom Special Edition OLED. This is going to be a beautiful looking Switch, if I do say so myself. I did not want to upgrade. I still have the original, the first one that came out with a bad battery life, but I still have the original. And I was going to upgrade when the Switch Pro came out, but this one kind of caught my eye because it's Legend of Zelda themed, and I loved Breath of the Wild. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to treat myself and I'm going to go ahead and get this OLED Tears of the Kingdom version. This is a special edition. It does not include the game. I have the game, no worries. I got the games, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the box here. It's gonna have a 7-inch OLED screen, 64 gigabytes of internal memory. It's got the dock and the adjustable stand. We go over here, gives you a little look at what comes in the box. Here is some of the artwork. Now I'm gonna be real with you. I love how the dock looks with the white and the gold and, you know, the different types of things around. I'm not a huge fan of the controllers yet. Let's see how it looks. It kind of does look a little good right there. Looks pretty good right there, but how cool would it have been if the back of the Switch was kind of white as well? I don't know. I'm just thinking outside of the box. Get it? All right, I got this at Best Buy. I do believe that Amazon still has some in stock. You could still get it at like a Target or whatever, but they're still in stock. So if you're interested, if this video is helpful in any way, give it a thumbs up and go pick it up. It is a little bit pricier than the regular Switch, but all right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the left Joy-Con. Hopefully lighting is decent enough where you guys can see it. You do get some emblem here. I'm not quite sure what that is. Some green with some gold. Turn it around and you do get another emblem, and it's white this time, so it has that two-tone, which is pretty cool. Still not a huge fan of these, but we'll see. We'll see if I warm up to them. All right. Ooh, actually, I like this one a little bit better. Take a look at that with the white, the gold. Again, two-tone, white and gold. White and gold is lit, guys. Come on. All right. Here's side by side, both Joy-Cons, not Joy-Cons. Hopefully these don't get Joy-Cons drift. I don't want Joy-Con drift. All right, so let's go ahead and we can save that one for last, you know, since we out here. All right, some terms and conditions, I believe, some paperwork. Nothing too important. If we go here, we do have an HDMI cable. Got plenty of those. Open this here. We got a charging cable. We got one of those already. Now, I don't believe this is the grip. I don't think that this is any different, but no. So here's where you put the Joy-Cons. Ooh, that's a tight fit. It's a tight fit. So there you go. Boom, 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 boom. You're playing on the go. I prefer the Pro controller, but that's what it looks like on the little attachment. right there. Just in case you were wondering. Don't know if you were wondering, but that's what it looks like. Put that to the side. Put the Joy-Cons right here. What else we got? Oh, so we got these little, I forgot about this. We got these little, I don't know what they're called, bumpers or whatever. So this one goes over here, if I'm not mistaken. Bam. All right, so there it's white. There it's the white with gold. You put it over here, and you're good to go. You're not gonna be chugging this at a controller or at a TV. You're not gonna be chugging the controller at a TV. Now, guys, excuse me if I sound a little under the weather. I woke up not feeling great today, but I wanted to go ahead and do this unboxing for you guys. All right, here it is, white on white, and the two-tone. Would have been cool if it continued on the pattern over here, but you know, it is what it is. So let's go ahead and remove. It's not bad. It's not bad. And I actually want to go ahead and compare the Skyward Sword Joy-Cons, which I do have, with these. Let me go ahead and grab those real quick. All right, guys, with the power of editing, I am back, and here are the Skyward Sword Joy-Cons, which in my opinion, and I did put some little caps on it, little Joy-Con caps, which I don't know, sometimes it's a hit or miss. Sometimes if they don't let me move the way I'm supposed to move, then it kind of frustrates me. But all right, guys, I want you guys to comment below if you're watching this video. Which do you prefer? Do you prefer the Skyward Sword, blue and I guess purple? Or do you prefer the Tears of the Kingdom, gold and white with a little bit of green? Check it out. I have my preference, but go ahead and comment below which one you guys prefer. I'm gonna drop that there. I'm gonna drop that there. What else do we got? Nothing. All right, let's take a look at the dock itself. Let's take a look at the dock. And wow, look at that, guys. In person, it looks fantastic. Fantastic. Check it out. Now, this is my first OLED. Like I mentioned before, I come from the original Switch, so the dock should not have anything crazy. I do know, oh, it just comes off, or did I just mess that up? Okay, did I just break it? Hopefully I didn't. All right, so it does come with a LAN or Ethernet port for better connection. I know that that is a difference. Mine does not have that. Let's see, did they add? I believe that it has 2 USBs on the front, and the original only has 1. I'm trying to see if I can see it. The original only has 1, and other than that, it kind of looks the same. Not sure if it is or not, but that is a good looking dock right there, if I do say so myself. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the Switch itself. Let's close this bad boy and get rid of this. And here we have the actual tablet for the Switch itself. Go ahead and remove it. Now I will have to put a tempered glass protector on there because I don't want to ruin it, but there you go. There's the patterns. It's not really, it does have like an engraved slightly feel to it, but I think that's pretty cool. I would have preferred maybe, I don't know, something that stands out, because you can't really see it. Like, can you guys see it right there? Probably not. Right there you can, with the light hits it. It's very subtle. I don't know if I would have preferred maybe white swirls or something. Just something to make it stand out. I don't know. All right, so let's go ahead and attach. Bam. Left Joy-Con. Bam. Right Joy-Con. Now, right off the bat, like I mentioned several times, I do have the original Switch, the first one, and I could already tell the bezels are a lot smaller. Let me go ahead and get my original Switch. Give me 1 second. All right, here's my original Switch. You can tell the bezels are fat, boy. Look at the bezels on the original one. That is a fat boy. But you can tell here, look at the bezels, a lot smaller. This is gonna be OLED. It's gonna look way better than an LCD screen. Colors are gonna be way more vibrant. As far as size, I am noticing that the OLED is slightly bigger. If I line up Joy-Cons right there, you can see that it comes out a little bit. So it is slightly bigger. It is coming out a little bit. Feels actually pretty good in the hand. Like, I'm used to this one. Try not to get the glare over here. I'm used to this one, the weight, size, and everything. This one does, for some reason, feel a little bigger, like wider in the hand, but flatter. I don't know. It has like a more grippy back. Well, I do have this this sticker from D brand, but it does have a more grippy back, but it does feel bigger. I'm not gonna lie. So let's go ahead and dock it, and I'll show you guys what it looks docked. And that is docked. I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down for you guys so you guys can see. Check it out. Hopefully you can see it. The light is hitting it correctly. But there it is. There is the Tears of the Kingdom Special Edition OLED Switch. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that this is a good looking special edition? I know that the Splatoon one is up there with the splashes. I know that there's a couple of special editions. Nintendo does a really good job of creating these really nice special edition. I know that there's a Pokemon one. Which one do you guys prefer? Would you rank this one up there with the different kinds of special editions, limited editions? Also, let me know. Joy-Cons, do you prefer these gold, white, and slightly green, or the Skyward Sword purple and blue with the emblems here? Boom, boom. Check it out. Only one tone. These are two-tone. And what do you prefer? All right, guys, this has been an unboxing of the Tears of the Kingdom Special Edition OLED. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you found this video helpful, help me out with a like and subscribe and share if anyone's thinking about getting this. Share this video with them. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.